Hey, John Dorsey here with Passive Prosperity Formula. It's a free step-by-step video course where I show you how to get targeted leads and earn multiple commissions. And a little explanation of the system is that it's not a business within itself. It's more of a system or a formula where the formula is different ingredients, different things mixed together to get a certain outcome. So that's what Passive Prosperity Formula is that you have different resources, tools, and systems that's packaged together to give you a certain outcome, and that outcome is getting leads and commissions for your business or a business that you may join me in or whatever it is. This system, this formula will help you stop spinning your wheels and end the struggle of trying to earn a full-time income online. So what I'm going to show you in this video is the results I've gotten over the past year and some of my most recent results. So let's start out with the marketing system I use. So to date, I've earned $181.30. Next is a education platform, a marketing education platform where you learn to market online in a very strategic way. And so far, I've earned $704.10. Next is ClickMagic, and what ClickMagic is a affiliate or is a tracking tool where you create links that will track where you're getting traffic from, and how many leads you're getting from that traffic, and how many sales you're getting from your leads. So this is a very powerful tool, and so far I've earned $51.45. Next is ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is very similar to My Lead System Pro, except with My Lead System Pro, not only do you get a marketing system, you also get marketing tools and marketing education. Just like with this, you get marketing education, but you don't necessarily get the tools, but you get a different approach to marketing with the 4%. So back to ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is mostly just a funnel builder, sales page builder, and there's other things, but so far it doesn't give me the total, but over the last 6 months, it's about $118 per month. Next is Cash Juice, and Cash Juice is a social media platform made for marketers, and so far I've earned $20.99. And what I use this for is mostly to connect with people, because since this is for marketers, I use what I learned from My Lead System Pro about how to market on social media. I use that education to connect with people on here to help them get leads and get sales in their business. So next up is it's like a personal development business. Not only is it personal development, it's also some additional marketing training. It's also like I said, it's a lot of personal development, and also has some health stuff, some health resources. And so far, and I've only been in this about a week, and so far I've earned $19.29 and have 2 people personally enrolled. They have not upgraded yet, but the commissions I've earned are from not pass ups, but what do they call them? Like spillover. But the way that this works is you get spill under. So basically, people who joined after you, when they purchase the training, when they purchase the education, you get 1% of their purchase 10 levels deep. Next up is Futurenet, which is also a social media platform very similar to Facebook, except you earn from other people. You earn from your own. You earn from other people's purchases in this platform. So far, well, not so far. I've earned more than this, but what's in my account right now is $238.75. I've probably earned maybe over $1,000 with this platform. But this is what's in my account right now, $238. And that's basically it. So when you opt in to a page similar to this one, you'll be taken to this page and you'll be shown. I'll give you a little brief introduction of who I am and what I do, and I'll show you some results similar to what you're seeing right now. And next, what you would do after you see this video, if you choose to continue and want to see more what this program is about, you just click here to continue, and this will take you to the overview page of what the Passive Prosperity Formula is all about. And you'll be taken to this page. You'll watch this video where I go over the struggles of online marketers, how to overcome those struggles, overview the system a little bit, and what you do is just go through the steps. As you see, follow the steps below to simplify your success, because there's a lot of overwhelm. There's a lot of things to learn about marketing online, and when you have all these things to learn, all these different things to do, which many of these things work, but the tricky part is finding that one thing that you're going to focus on long enough to get the result. So you have to find a system that you're going to stick to, and then find a marketing method that you're going to stick to for the long term to get the result. The problem is a lot of people will get a system, join a business, sign up for a program, and then they are in the program 30 days, 60 days, 90 days before they jump to a different program. And then the thing that they're doing to market that program isn't one thing, it's many things. And the thing they're doing, it might do once or twice over that 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, and then they just quit and go to something else and say, this doesn't work, this marketing method doesn't work, this business doesn't work, this system doesn't work, this program doesn't work, when they didn't focus long enough on one thing to get a result. Because once you start getting results, then you can start sharing your results with other people, and when you get a result, that also makes you more confident in whatever you're promoting. It also makes you more confident in the marketing method you're using. So that's a little advice. So basically, you just come in, when you get back here, you just follow the steps. You click on step 1, which will take you to the quick start income stream, and this will be a business that will get you into profit fast. And this could change, so I'm not going to go into what that business is. Step 2 is system setup. So this will be getting into a system like MLSP or ClickFunnels to build a system to wrap around your business. Because what's happening out there online is that people will join a business, and let's say that business gives you a capture page or gives you something to promote. And it says, here's your affiliate link. Now go out there and market it. And people will spam Facebook groups. They'll spam their Facebook timeline. They'll basically spam the link all over the place. But guess what? Let's say this company or this program you're using has 50,000 other people in there that's doing the same thing. So you got 50,000 people with the same lead capture page, same sales page, doing the same thing. And that's how a business or opportunity gets saturated, because people will say, "Oh, I've seen that before. I already know what that is." But when you create a custom page similar to this one, like when you come to this page, you don't know what's on the other side, because it's a custom page that I use wrapped around my own personal product, and you don't have to create your own product. This is why I use a program like MLSP, and I explain in more detail once you click on system setup. But what you need is a custom funnel or a custom wrapper to put around whatever you're promoting. And this will make you stand out, because people will say, "Oh, this is interesting. This is something I want to take a closer look at." Then they opt in and they get, the free offer you're giving away, the free ebook, the free training, or the free training that you'll get from what you'll learn about in the step 2. And they'll see that you're giving value, and then they may look deeper into what you're offering on the back end, and that'll be your business, your opportunity, your product, your service. Step 3 is personal development. And personal development is key, because success is 80% mindset, 20% action. So, because like I said, when you're out there marketing your business, you're out there marketing, using a marketing method, you have to be right in the mind to persevere, to push forward when nothing's happening. Because overcoming your own self-defeating thoughts, overcoming your own self-doubt, overcoming your own negative self-talk, it can be a real challenge. And no matter how trained you are, those thoughts still creep in. But once you go through personal development and you set up a routine, you have a plan, you listen to different personal development training on a daily basis, this helps you overcome and push off these negative thoughts about your success or lack thereof. All right, so step 4 is traffic generation. This is where you go into different traffic modalities, whether it's paid traffic or free traffic. I got a whole bunch of different traffic generation resources back there. And right here is where you can join the Passive Prosperity Formula Facebook group, where you can get guidance and help about using the system, tips, tactics, and techniques about using the system, tips about putting things together and making things flow and work. So I think that I put together something that truly is valuable, that will truly help you, and it's free, like I said. And the link will be somewhere around this video, either below this video or above this video. Opt in and just take a look. Like I said, it's free. You can go through this training, and maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. There's no obligation to do anything. Just go through it, take a look at it, and if these things that what you'll learn in these steps, if it's attractive to you, if it appeals to you, then take action. That's all I gotta say. So I hope you got a lot out of this video. Click the link below this video to learn more about the Passive Prosperity Formula, and like and share this video, and I'll talk to you again soon.